Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make PPT through Gamma AI. Open Gamma AI, sign in, and pick a template to start your slide deck. Then add your content into panels and let the AI suggest layout options, images, and concise bullet text. Keep prompts short and specific, use headings for structure, and swap suggested visuals when they don't match your message. Export to PPTX or present online. Start by telling Gamma AI your presentation goal and audience in one clear sentence, then list main slide headings. Ask for concise bullets, recommended visuals, and a consistent color palette so the AI can match tone and style. If a suggestion feels off, refine the prompt with examples or swap in your own images. Iterate quickly. Small prompt changes yield different layouts, and you can export drafts to PPTX at any stage. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more AI tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort, perfect for long workdays or standing presentations. It's an easy upgrade that pairs well with marathon slide sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus every slide on one main idea and limit bullets to keep audience attention, letting Gamma AI tighten language if needed. Choose high-contrast colors and readable fonts, and place crucial visuals within safe viewing areas to avoid cropping. Review suggested images and replace any that distract from your message. Practice presenting with the AI outline, adjust timing, then export to PPTX or share a live link when the flow feels natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.